Hello everyone, this is Liz with EC QuickBooks Training. Today I'm going to do an update for one of my videos, and that is how to reconcile your PayPal account in QuickBooks Online. And this is just an update, so I will link the video below if you would like to take a look at that video. But what I'm going to update you on is on PayPal reports that I pulled in order to reconcile my PayPal account or a client's PayPal account. So under the financial summary, I always go down the list and see what has been, what transactions there are. So if there's transfers, I click on the transfer amount and then do the transfers and so forth. So I recommend you watch my video to see how I do it. Now, one of the updates that I wanted to talk about is the report for the debit card purchases. This is the card that PayPal gives you, so you can use your balance with a debit card. So when you go into this report and you click on the details, PayPal doesn't really give you any details of who the vendor is or where did you spend the money. And even if you download the report CSV and you want to open it, it doesn't really give you anything. It just shows you, the date and the amount, which is one of the two out of the three things that you need to upload this report into to QuickBooks. So in order to get the details of who this was for, we need to go to a different location. So I usually went to Transactions and Transaction Finder, and that is in my video. But recently, and I think this was back in November, PayPal changed that report. So in order to, they still have it. The interesting thing is they still have it. So I'm going to show you how to get it. They want you to actually just go and download the activity. Now that report is actually different as well. So if you click on download report, you could see that this will give you all the transactions, completed transactions, including your sales and including your purchases. But what we want to do is go into the search icon and click on it, and then it takes you to the transaction finder. And as you can see, now you can select what you want to find. So in this case, I want to do the debit card, and then I'm going to click search. So again, it will bring us to all the debit cards. Oh, we want to select the date. This is for January. I want to do November. So I'm going to do search. So search, this is all the transactions. Now, when you look at it, you're like, okay, there's no name. But when you download it, let me go ahead and download CSV. It should populate or should give you all the names. Now give me one moment to bring it up. And it's right here. As you can see, it's under subject. So we have the date. We have who it was for, and then the amount. We can go ahead and delete all this columns that we don't need, because all we need is the date, the amount, and who it was for in order to be able to upload the CSV file to QuickBooks. And that's what I wanted to show you, how to get the transaction finder under the new report system that PayPal has. If you like this video, please give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks, and I will see you on the next one.